Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have 13 handwriting script font bundles. These are in OTF files for Windows etc. So you can select all, right click, create click on install, and this is already installed, so I replace it. Wait, and you can write any your text. First I preview. Wow, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 capital and small letter. Here view is, whoa, I don't know about writing. And here is wow, these are really look like a signature, original signature. And here is, I don't know about this writing. And this writing is, wow, the quick sprint part jumps over the lazy dog. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Good. Here is right, and wow, I think this font is bold. Here you see font name Whitesmith, open tab layout, digitally signed, true tab outlines. Okay, fantastic. And Benita signature, wow, they look like original writing, handwriting. Good. Wow, this data is protected and password in this video, so kindly for watch. For example, I create any layer and write a name. For example, I write Sheri, SHERISK. Writing color is black and size is 72. Okay, armor increase, enter. So I try to this font, select all. Wow, I think here is no bold option, that's just regular font. Right, Shiraz SK, sorry, Chevy SK. Change in any other, Janita, okay, Janita. Janata, okay, 72. You can change it or you can apply any font. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe our channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.